Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China's industrial profits grew at a faster clip in June, official data showed, even as businesses were grappling with a downshift in consumer sentiment amid a shaky economic recovery. A 3.6% year-on-year rise in profits last month followed a 0.7% gain in May, while first-half earnings were up 3.5%. Oil futures fell about 1.5% to end last week, finishing the week lower on declining Chinese demand and hopes of a Gaza ceasefire agreement that could ease Middle East tensions and accompanying supply concerns. 6 banks, including Bank of America and Citigroup, agreed to pay $80 million to settle antitrust litigation in New York, accusing them of conspiring to rig prices of European government bonds. A preliminary settlement was filed late Friday in Manhattan Federal Court and requires a judge's approval.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Finland's consumer confidence at 5 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.